In this video, we are going to see how to override the save method for Django models. So first, let's create an app and name it as vocabulary with command python manage.py start app vocabulary. Once it's done, register it under installed apps of settings.py file. Head over to the models.py file under the newly created app. Over here, import UUID, which we are going to use. Make a class vocab, which will be our model, and we'll have the field ID set to models.uuid field. So we need to make sure that it's unique and primary key. We'll create another field named as word, which will be a char field of max length is equal to 33. We require another field which will be the meaning for that word, and this will be a text field. Now we'll override the save method by defining save method for our newly created model, which is vocab. We'll pass in the arguments of self, args and keyword args. Over here now we'll set id is equal to uuid dot uuid4 and call this method. Make sure that it's not just id, you need to specify self dot id. After that, call the super method with the class name, which is vocab, and self with another keyword, and then call the save method with arguments and keyword arguments, and save the models.py file. Head over to admin.py, import the newly created model over here and create a vocab admin. We need to specify the fields that we require, so we'll just specify word and meaning. We'll create another class meta. Over here we'll specify the model, which is vocab. We need to register this vocab admin as well as vocab. We need to make migrations for our newly created model. Once done, we can verify that the models are registered in the admin. Let's create a word and a meaning for it and save it. We will display it in a more cleaner way. Let's head over under field section, and over here we'll type list underscore display and the fields that we need to see and their order. We need to see word, meaning and the id, which is an UUID field. And now it's looking more cleaner, and you can see that id is UUID, and the URL also makes it clear that it's an UUID field for our new word. Thank you.